So the AI wars continue, and before I show you how Bing's new integration with Chatgpt works, just want to really quickly tell you about how Microsoft's stock versus Google's stock performed after both their AI presentations. So Microsoft is the blue one, Google tanked. It's just a bit of a fun information because the stock prices doesn't really have much to do with this. It's just people speculating. So yeah, but it's still quite interesting to look at this, though. This is going to bounce back, of course, and yeah. Now, Bing. So if we access Bing today, we can see this. We can see it's a bit different, right, than the regular old Bing, how it used to look like. So it used to look like this, right? But now we have this ask me anything sort of chatty vibe, right? Let's do, for example, how to create a sign-up form in Webflow. Now, this still doesn't give you the chat option, but one thing you can do is go here to this burger menu, click on Labs, and change it from auto, which is the default option, to more frequent. Now, I've tested it out. I haven't yet managed to make the chat appear using this. However, what you can do is to view a preview, is click on here on chat, and you'll be prompted with this. And essentially, you can join the waiting list, click the new Bing faster, access the new Bing faster. And it's quite interesting what they're doing here. They're essentially not making you, but incentivizing you to firstly install Microsoft as default in your PC, and then install their app so you can stay ahead of the queue, essentially. Quite interesting that they're doing this. I mean, good on them to get a bunch of new users hyped up about this. But going back here, and I have already joined the waiting list, but if you click here, getting your own chat, and then go to learn more, you'll be able to, if you scroll down, see a preview of how this is going to work and test it out to some extent. So let's click on this one. I need help with coding something. So this is what it'll give you, right? Here is how the experience will feel like. Now, you can also view this experience in the search engine itself. If you click here on see another example, this is going to give us an example of what cars should I consider buying. And as you can see here, we have just how, like most people suspected, you still have of course, the regular quote-unquote old search engine with the search results, with the ads, with all that, which essentially is how they monetize the search, right, with a bunch of ads. That's Google's business, and Bing's business as well is monetizing the search results with ads. But here on the right, we can see the ChatGPT-like functionality. And the good thing about this is that this is not ChatGPT 3, this is ChatGPT 4. This is connecting live to the internet, right? While ChatGPT will only gather the information until 2021, this gathers information live. And as you can see here, it's gathering information live and giving you the sources of that information. So if I wanted to buy a car, if I wanted to know what the best car for off-roading was, I think this is off-roading, I would see what this told me right here, but then I could also see the sources, and based on my opinion, if these are trustworthy sources or not, for example, Top Speed, or what's this one, Hot Cars, based on my somewhat knowledge about cars, I could go to these sources and see what they have to say about them, right? I can click and go to the sources, right? So based on my knowledge about what are authoritative sources in the field. We cannot yet still use prompts, right? But essentially this is how it will look like in the future. Quite interesting that this has come to this. I'm not sure if you saw, but Bing, they saw that Google was announcing their Bard AI. So if you go to Bard AI, Google made a blog post 2 days ago announcing what they're going to do with this new AI, essentially a ChatGPT competitor. As soon as they did that, Microsoft launched their 16 hours ago, right? They did a press release, or not a keynote, I guess, going over how it will work, going over all the features, all the future, what the future holds for Bing and ChatGPT. So quite interesting that they're doing this one right after the other. So the AI wars have officially begun. And yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what Google does. I did do a video on Google's Bard AI. I think if you write Bard AI or Bard, this should show up. It's a quick 2-minute video on what Google's thinking and how it will work essentially. So yeah, that's essentially it. This is the latest update on Microsoft Bing's AI. We still cannot yet use it. I know some people that already have been able to use Bard AI. I don't know anyone that has been able to use Microsoft's Bing AI, which is essentially ChatGPT. But yeah, as soon as I have more updates, I'll of course update you on here. I do, I guess, want to promote my stuff since I'm here. If you don't know, I'm the owner of Vetted. Vetted is a platform where you can hire pre-vetted SEO experts. You can of course hire them for their skills via these productized services or gig-like services. If I go here to Bradley's profile, I can browse through all of his services. I can also, of course, hire him for his time. So if I want to pick his brain about anything related to SEO, I can book a time with him and essentially pick his brain and have a call with him. And most recently, we released this managed SEO solution, which is where you can hire these pre-vetted SEO experts on a monthly recurring basis. This is still in beta, so if you want to try it out, feel free to do so. You gotta request access because we do not accept everyone. Also, something that's pretty cool here on Vetted is that if, for free, by the way, if you sign up, create an account and click on campaigns and link a domain here, add a campaign, put the name, put the URL, you can get a ton of SEO data for your domain. So organic keyword rankings, how many of there are ranking, top keywords, a bunch of them, check your backlinks, top pages, check your competition, all this for free. You can get access to all this for free. You can also connect Google Search Console right here and essentially see the data on Google Search Console with one click. So it's pretty cool. If you want to test it out, you can do so for free. I'll leave a link for this in the description as well. And finally, before I shut up, this plugin right here, pretty cool plugin. If you go to the Chrome Web Store and type in Vetted SEO Helper, this is free, by the way, as well. You can essentially go to any site, click the plugin, and evaluate their technical and on-page SEO with a click of a button, right? You can see their meta title, meta description, headings. Let me go just here to the homepage really quickly. Check their H1s, H2s, all that. Meta images, for example, this one right here, if you can see, appears down there. That's essentially the image where when you share your URL in any social media platform, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, all that, this image right here pops up. You can check images, alt text, links, robots.txt, sitemap. Essentially, this is a good tool if you're doing audits for any of your clients. If you do SEO, of course, it's a pretty neat tool to have. Gets you your information quick for free. And yeah, that's it. I'll stop promoting my stuff. And yeah, I'll update you on any new news I have on the Bing latest update. And yeah, that's it. Cheers.